Welcome back.
Glad I didn't get any paint on there for that.
What's good, everybody? My name is Modi. This is Modimakes, and today I'm coming at you today with another painting in the Blue Meanies series. This one entitled The Vet. That is vet as in veteran, not vet as in veterinary. This painting was initially inspired by the World War II fighter planes that are designed to have shark faces on them. I've always thought that those look amazing, and I just really like the intimidation factor and the styling that they have. So the vet is a disheveled creature who has come back from the battleground to find an indifferent world that doesn't really accept him, and he's given everything to these people. You know, he's lost his time, he's lost his youth, he's lost his friends, and he's even lost part of his soul on the battleground, and he's come back to find people that just don't respect him and don't like what he's done, even though he's literally given up everything for them. You know, it's kind of analogous to the way that a lot of Vietnam War veterans felt when they came back to the States because of the very controversial nature of that war. But, you know, I'm not necessarily pitting this to any specific time frame in the US or history or into any specific war or anything like that. Just kind of that general idea of giving everything to something and having it come out as if like you are nothing, you know what I mean? Having people look at you like you haven't given your soul to whatever cause it may be. And obviously for me, that's always the art game, as that is what I do, and that is pretty much where all my focus goes. So let's get into it, shall we? As always, it's the moment of truth. Let's see how the transfer went. This part is always kind of nerve-wracking because can't really go back afterwards because you usually end up ripping the transfer paper, taking it off. But oh yeah, it worked. We good. Hell yeah, that looks great. Bali. Well, I lost that one. It's gone forever now. My peoples, the vet is finished, and you know, I wasn't really sure how I was gonna feel about this one originally because it's got a lot of pretty large flat areas of color because the canvas that I was drawing on is pretty big for the sketch that I had created. So I tried to add in a lot of little patterning elements like the camo pattern and, you know, just those little different patterning elements that I like to add into a lot of things. And I think it ended up being kind of cool. It's pretty different from some of my other blue meanies, first of all, because it's even less humanoid than a lot of my blue meanies are, which is saying something. But that makes sense since this one was inspired by those shark patterns on World War II fighter planes and kind of ended up becoming like a jet engine. It's basically an anthropomorphic jet engine with arms. But I think that ended up being pretty cool. I actually really like how it turned out. It's got a lot of personality for sure. I think you can really get a mood from it, and that's pretty much the main thing that I'm going for with these is capturing a certain personality. But yeah, so you know, let me know what you guys think of it down in the comments below as always. And if you guys have any suggestions for future videos, any questions about any videos I've done in the past, or just want to talk to me in general, feel free to leave any of that stuff in the comments below. I'm happy to respond to all of them. And if you liked the video, then go ahead and give me a like. That would be amazing. And if you like me, you like the content, you want to help support me, then please subscribe. That is the #1 thing that you can do for me right now, and it would be amazing. I could not thank you enough. Seriously, it would be fantastic. And with that out of the way, I also wanted to apologize for missing last week's upload. I actually got the Rona and I had to quarantine, so I wasn't able to come to the studio here and I wasn't able to work on anything. I know it's a little out of fashion to get the Rona this late, but you know, you do what you can. Anyways, I'm all good now, and I'm gonna be coming out with videos like regular, as usual. I know this summer has been a little bit sporadic with the video uploads. I'm really trying to get everything out every week. There's just been a lot of things that have gotten in the way. All right, with all that out of the way, and without further ado, let's get in those final shots, shall we? Oh. Did that go in? No, damn it.
Thanks for watching.